want to remove this dealer name. What I'm going to do is take, there was a outlet in here. This is just plastic, must be about 1/16 of an inch thick. I'm going to take and cut out a small piece so I can get in here easier, and it doesn't need to be very big. They actually sell plastic razor blades, and this is similar. So I just cut a piece that's this big. I take a hair dryer and put it on high. That's 15 seconds. Yeah, let's take it off. I'm going to go a little bit longer. Let's see. Oh, I'll go a little longer. That was 20 seconds. Likes to stick to everything it's not supposed to. That's sticky stuff for you. It's starting to cool down. It's getting harder to take it off. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit again. There's about 20 seconds. Oh, much better. It's amazing. Just want to be real gentle because the plastic could scuff the paint too, so be really careful. Get the adhesive off. I'm going to use 91% isopropyl alcohol. This usually does a really good job with glues, soften them up. I'm using a cotton rag, going in circles, and I'm not pushing very hard. Just really light touch there. It evaporates quick. Sticker's gone. Oh, let's see, I can still see the MN, which might show up because this paint is probably faded. This vehicle is 2001 and it's now 2019. It's 18 years old. I don't know when that sticker was put on. I don't know if you can see it, but I can still see an MN there. So wax might take that out. I might have to use some scratch remover, just knock that down a bit. It might always be there, just a real slight thing. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.